Hi, this is Mike from 3M. I'm here to show you how to set up the new Performance Spray Gun 2. Today we're just using water, so we don't have to worry about wearing a respirator, but always use a respirator when you're actually spraying paint. Real easy to adjust. The top knob here is for your fan pattern. The middle knob here, this is for your fluid. And down here on the regulator is where we're gonna adjust our air. So a good starting point for this gun is 1.5 to 2 turns on your fan pattern. So I'll do that right now. We're gonna wanna go 2.5 to 3 on your fluid. It's pretty good. And then because this is an HVLP nozzle, we're gonna go with 20 PSI. Then we'll check it on the board and see how it looks. Looks pretty good. So if it doesn't look good, if it's too narrow, what you're gonna wanna do is open up the fan pattern more. And obviously if it's too wide, we're gonna shut it. A little bit more. And everything you spray potentially can have slightly different settings. So you're gonna wanna make sure to check it before you spray a new product, or just once in a while to make sure you have everything set up just right. Now that the gun's set up, you're ready to go spray your vehicle. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
If you liked what you saw, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video. If you have questions or have ideas for future topics, leave us a comment down below. If you want more content like this, be sure to check us out at the 3M Collision Repair Academy. The link for that is in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.